So hello everyone. So today we have a new problem which name is power of 2, Leetcode 231 problem. So let's read the problem statement. So we have given a number, return true if it is possible to power of 2, otherwise return false. Okay, an integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n can be written as 2 to the power x form. Okay, so what we have to do in this problem is we have given a number, so we have to write that number in 2 to the power x form. If it is possible, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. So let's take an example. If n equals to 1, so we can write this number in 2 to the power form, 2 to the power something form, means that we can write this number as 2 to the power 0, which is 1. So we can write this, so we will return true. If n equals to 16, so it can be written as a 2 to the power 4, so it will be true. If n equals to 3, so in this case we can't write this number in 2 to the power x form, because if 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, so 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, so this number is lying in between of these two numbers, so it is basically odd number also, so we can't write this number in 2 to the power something form. That's why we are returning false. So let's see the constraint for this. Constraint are going from minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1, means in minimum number to maximum number. So this can be a approach for this. So I have three approaches to solve this question. I'll explain you what are all the approaches. So we have explained about this how it is working, like n equals to 16, so 16 can be written as 2 power 4, so it is true. In n equals to 15, so 15 can't be written as a 2 power something form, so that's why it will be false. So the first method is dividend and remainder method. Whenever we see this problem, the first approach that comes in our mind is dividend and remainder problem. So if n equals to 1, so this is a base case for this. In this case, if n equals to 1, 0, so in this case we can't write this number as 2 to the power something form, so we will return false. And otherwise, if we will apply a loop while n modulo 2 equals to 0, means जब तक मेरा नंबर इवन है तब तक मैं उसको डिवाइड करता जाऊंगा, डिवाइड बाई टू करता जाऊंगा. फाइनली इफ दिस विल अकर, finally we will return n equals to 1. So let's try by an example. If n equals to 4, so 4 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so if it is in this loop. Okay, so 4 divided equals to 2. Now we have 2. Same cheese will occur again and again. Okay, then finally we will return 1. So 1 modulo 2, we know that 1 modulo 2 is 1, which is not equal to 0, so we will finally come out from this loop, and we will return n equals to 1. Then ये चलता जाएगा. We know that it is an even number. It can be also approach कि even number सारे अगर हों, ठीक है, तो it can be true, otherwise it can be false, because we can't write our number in 2 to the power something form. Let's take an example, like if n equals to 7, so we can't write this number in 2 to the power something form, so that's why we will return false in that case. So the second is, for this approach, the time complexity is big of log n, as you can see, because we are dividing again and again by 2. So first the number is 4, then 2, then 1. First the number is 8, then 4, then 2 and 1. So we are dividing by 2 again and again. So it is like a logarithm form, exponential. So that's why time complexity is log n. And we are not taking any space in this. So space complexity is big of 1. And second approach is, we know about this key recursion. Recursion can be a better approach for this. The base case will be same, because if n equals to 0, we will directly return false. Otherwise we will return, if n equals to 1, means n equals to 1 है, तो उसको उसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 2 to power 0 की फॉर्म में, तो वो भी एक केस हो सकता है. अदरवाइज, या और केस क्या हो सकता है, n modulo 2 equals to 0, दिस इज द केस. अगर ऐसा है n मॉड्यूलो 2 अगर मेरा 0 है, वैसे ये सेम यही चीज़ है, बिकॉज हम इसमें लूप का यूज़ कर रहे हैं और यहाँ हम रिकर्सिव कॉल मार रहे हैं. इफ n मॉड्यूलो 2 equals to 0, मीन्स if that number is even, means that number the remainder of that number is given, the remainder is that number is 0. So if that this condition is occur, and also the function call will return n by 2 n by 2 n by 2, the function call will occur. Okay, So the time complexity for this solution is big of log n, and space complexity will also be big of log n. Now I have a third approach for this to solve this question. We can, as you can see the constraint, if we will take a number like even और odd की मैं बात करता हूँ, like मैं कोड करके समझाता हूँ. What I will do is I will apply a loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than equals to 30. Why I am not taking 31? Because वो out of the bound चले जाएगा. Then I plus plus, ठीक है. आउट ऑफ द बाउंड क्या चले जाएगा, 2 to the power 31. 2 to the power 31 हो जाएगा. अगर मैं 31 करूंगा आई लेस देन इक्वल टू 31, तो 2 to the power 31 हो जाएगा. मैं 2 to the power लेने वाला हूँ, ठीक है. लाइक ले लेते हैं इंट आंसर इक्वल टू पावर ऑफ 2 I. If this I will go up to 31, so this will be 2 to the power 31. That will be out of range because n can go up to 2 to the power 31 minus 1 actually, ठीक है. Now I'll check if answer equals to n. In this case we will return true. Otherwise, अगर अंदर कोई रिटर्न नहीं हुआ, लूप के अंदर कुछ भी रिटर्न नहीं किया हमने, तो अदरवाइज इट मीन्स मैं बाहर आ गया हूँ लूप के, और बाहर लूप के क्या रिटर्न कर देंगे, फॉल्स. So let's run this code. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, as you can see, it is working perfect. It is taking 0 millisecond and 100% better than the C++ users. So this was the complete code. As you can see, if we take an example like if n equals to 4, so if n equals to 4, so power of 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 2 power 0 means 1. फिर 2 power of 2 comma 1, 2 power 1 is 2. फिर then 2 power 2 is 4, and 4 equals to 4. Then in that case we will return 2. So this was the solution, and the time complexity will be like approx, if we say we are taking a power logarithm, time complexity will be there. However, we are using a loop that is going up to 0 to 30 times. So, but we are also doing a power to power something to then to power something. It is like a logarithm kind of thing. And we are not taking any space, so space is approx 1, big of 1. So this was a complete solution. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe.